Good evening, oh good evening, Friday. It's 4:30 in the afternoon, guys. But it's getting dark na. It's getting dark na. It's only 4:30 in the afternoon. Another day, another vlog. How are you, everyone? As usual, guys. Walking. Pag may time. Maraming time. Walking. Walking. Daan tayo sa loob, guys. We're gonna pass inside the mall. Yeah, I have to buy, I think, 3 things. Baka mamaya 3 things. Mamaya, ang dami ng dinadampot. Diba? Alright. Let's go inside the mall. Here. There. Dito tayo dadaan, guys. This is the basement. Alright. Baka may music, guys. Takot ako sa music. Alright. Arden. Unang bungad. Arden. Maraming sale ngayon. Ay, nako. Ayaw ko na mag-shopping. Jacket. Ayan na mga jacket, guys. 640, 4 million, 34 million. Let's go. Tataya tayo, guys. Baka sakali. Guys. Ayun number natin. Subukan natin magtaya. Hindi na tayo sanay. Alright. Malay natin. Milyon na to, guys. Babayaran na natin, guys. Guys, I have that 3 ticket. Oh, meron yung group. Kumuha ako ng group, guys, for the first time. Oh. Wala. Balbaliktado ni. Dito, nagado number na ni, guys. Okay. Oh, they're gonna draw tonight, guys, and the other tomorrow. Alright, good luck. Guys, kuha tayo nito. Pangkudkod sa mga gilid-gilid ng kuko. Kasi winter na, guys. Mag-ano mga kuko natin. Magka-crack. Kaya kailangan natin ito. Parang siya. Parang yung, tawag doon? Leha. Kuha tayo ito, guys. Sa paan naman. Sa talampakan. Pag winter talaga nagka-crack mga skin natin, guys. Ang dami nagka-crack. Buti sa baba hindi nagka-crack. Ito. Kuha tayo ng ito nail polish, guys. Remover. $5. Kuha tayo to, guys. Toothbrush case. My favorite color, red. Kuha tayo dito, guys. So, ang cute, oh. $1.50. Vaseline. Gym. Let's go, guys. Getting dark. It's dark now, guys. Look! It's dark now. Oh, boy. Bye-bye now. Look at that. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. It's night time now. Sandali lang ang araw, guys. Short araw and a long gabi. Yep. Kasi winter, ganyan po. Mahaba ang gabi, maiksi ang araw. Ayan, bye-bye po. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Let's go, bye-bye. Thank you. Ang lamig mahangin. Bye.
Yo, frozen.